Hi, I'm Willy Haze here, the fuel tank specialist, here to show you how to go further with the AGM EXR Fuel Tank. Nearly double the range of your Can-Am X3 with this amazing product. It mounts under the vehicle so it keeps the center of gravity low. It stores up to 9 gallons of gas. Here's a visual representation. Now that's a lot of range. And with the flip of a switch, you can transfer fuel while you drive. No need to stop the fun. The EXR Fuel Tank comes with everything you need to install in just an afternoon, and there's no cutting or welding required. And you can transfer fuel to a friend's car with the buddy hose. What are you waiting for? Operators are standing by now to help you go further. And if you call during the show, you can learn about our electric and manual jacks. Lift your car safer and faster. Be ready for anything with the AGM jacks. Call in the next 20 minutes to order your AGM EXR Fuel Tank today. Go further with the AGM EXR Fuel Tank. Here's how to order.